Step 1. Open your browser and find the official Bandicam website. On the main page, click the blue button Free Download and then run the official installer. Attention! After installation, be sure to uncheck Run Bandicam and click Finish. Second step. Disabling antivirus. Before you crack Bandicam, be sure to disable all antiviruses. If you do not have antivirus, disable all Windows Defender functions as shown in the video. After cracking, you will be able to turn on antivirus. The third step. Cracking Bandicam. In the description to the video there is a link to verified software that will help you crack Bandicam. Just unzip it to your desktop and run it. Fourth step. Starting Bandicam. Great. Now you have the pro version of Bandicam without any restrictions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, I do a lot of